Okay, guys. Today we're gonna record. Today we're gonna record. Bring. I don't know where I've had fish come. Wait. I think I have fish come. I think I don't have fish come. I probably don't, but still. Let's continue this game. So let's go here. Go here. Jump, jump. Do that. Oh shit. I clicked the wrong button, guys. Wait. I think I can complete it. Mm. We need one apple at least. How about this apple? Oh my god, I almost died. I almost died. No! I died. Kinda noisy because of my siesta. No, I'm playing really. I'm playing with one hand right now. Guys, I'm playing with one hand. With one hand is crazy. And why do I keep farming in this stage? Okay, I think we go all. And then we press that, I think we go all the way. Oh, come on, I miss again. I miss again. But my sister is literally plugging the freaking. Where do I'm the bathroom. Where do I go? I want to follow. Okay, guys. Finally, to become quiet. But I think I can complete this. Yeah, I can complete this. Wait. Wait. I think we're not to complete it now. Go here. Bop, 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 bop. Bop, bop, bop. Control this. I accidentally pressed the R button, the biggest mistake of my life. Go here, 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 go here. Now, baby, OBS Studio, give me a promotion. Do you have my face? Come on. Okay, I do actually have my face cam. It has been 2 minutes in the video right now. Okay, it has been 2 minutes in the video. All of this background noise is crazy. Bluetooth device is ready to pair. Hello, guys. You can still hear me like that. Yeah, guys, you can still hear me like that. Oh, there was actually a flood. Something flood. Okay, now we put CS. Now we completed it. Easy, easy, boy, easy. Easy! Kada vez ka matapamay lang. It's just my wait, I can beat already. Easy. You're not easy anymore. Go here, 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 go here. Already beating the game. Beat it! So far, so far not good. Yeah, so far not good. So far not good. We're not good right now. Let's do this. Yes, I did it actually. Why am I using one hand? Because it's called aura. Okay. Let's sacrifice a piece for another one. That's what this is. Losing a piece means winning. stronger one. Look at this. See? The game is also called Roblox War Mobby. I don't know if I'm saying the names right, but some of the Roblox games has music names. And I might be copyrighted because I'm saying that. Now I'm stuck. I'm super stuck. Yeah, guys. You believe me? I'm stuck. You can see the new equipment. You can see the new equipment that last time I said, right? You can see it. By the way, Jordan is not here. He's sleeping. He's usually gone like 1 o'clock, but today's not 1 o'clock. He's like sleeping early today, so can wake up early. Somebody can sleep. Can wake up at 1 o'clock. Yeah. 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 Never doing it again. Yeah, we need to restart again. I think I already completed. Never mind. We need to restart. Let's look at this. Wait, we need to make it downwards. I like that. Now we have a new water. See guys, using another one is just saying we're gonna get a better one. I need to come to this with not eating apples. This one had all day. And this one had it all day. Yeah, never mind, it could not. I hope you can guys hear me. Yeah, I just got this guys and I'm gonna be using this forever. So you see a guy in Philippines in Batak City in Lucas Norte and not reveal my location. If I say not reveal my location, I died. Not be stuck, boys. How is that doesn't fit? Okay, guys, look at this. I'm locking. I'm not even talking anymore. I'm interlocking. See? See what I said? See what I said? I locked it in. I locked it in. This was easy. Why did my head hurt? Yeah, see? I need an apple. Is that the only apple? How could I work with it? Yeah, I think I know what to do now. Oh my god, I didn't realize that. But how do I do it? I'm so dumb, wait. I think I know it now. Ayan, na guys. You know, you can just fall like that. Never mind, don't fall like that. Let's do that physical anyways. My son is so dumb. 18, 21. He's trying to make friends with the college game. There's nothing I can do now. I can just do that. I think I had to. I think I know it now. I think I have. I think I have to eat first. Never mind. That's the worst idea. Yes, how did you know that? How did you know that? It's up there. It's up there. I have to sacrifice that. You know this. And then I eat it. Okay. I might give up. This is my last time. I give up. Stop recording. That's all. Record later. Okay, guys. Today's a special day, anyways. And it's not my birthday. Oh, oh my god. No way. No! I beat it when I said that. How long is this video, anyways? How long is the video? It's it. Yeah, guys. It's all. It's all. Bye bye. Damn.